be ready, because if you're ready for it, then you're prepared for it. So an emergency go bag, and I'll just go ahead and start touching on this here now. An emergency go bag is exactly what it says. They're called bug out bags, go kits. A lot of times they've taken, like FEMA and Red Cross have taken evacuation notices into 3 categories. Be ready, which means start thinking about it because it's coming. Get set, load your car up, be vigilant, and go, go, go. So there's usually 3 categories now that they've, narrowed it down to. So for the bug out bag, this is one of those things that I recommend that you have for each family member should have their own bug out bag. And each bug out bag should be self-sustaining, meaning if it's, mom, dad, and 2 kids, dad isn't carrying all the water, mom carrying all the first aid supplies, kids carrying all the lighter stuff like granola bars or beef jerky, because if people get separated. Okay, and sometimes that can happen in an emergency, and that's something you have to think about. And it's a scary thought to think of you either being alone and having something happen, or being with somebody and suddenly separated. And I'll talk a little bit about that there as well. So what constitutes an emergency? Anything that requires you to leave your safe environment immediately is classified as an emergency. And an emergency